What if black holes were portals to other parts of the universe, or even to different dimensions? Imagine the possibilities of traveling through these cosmic gateways, uncovering hidden realms, and exploring the unknown. In this video, we'll delve into the intriguing concept of black holes as portals, examining the science, theories, and potential implications for our understanding of the cosmos. Welcome to Imagine If, where we dive into the most fascinating what-if scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the unknown. To explore the idea of black holes as portals, we first need to understand what black holes are. Black holes are regions of spacetime with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density surrounded by the event horizon. Event horizon marks the boundary beyond which nothing can return. Anything that crosses this threshold is pulled inexorably toward the singularity. But what lies beyond this point of no return? Could there be more to black holes than meets the eye? One of the most intriguing theories suggests that black holes could be connected to distant regions of space through wormholes. Wormholes, or Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical tunnels in spacetime that link two separate points. If black holes were portals, they might function as entrances to these wormholes, allowing for instantaneous travel across vast cosmic distances. Imagine a spaceship entering a black hole and emerging in another part of the galaxy, or even in a different galaxy altogether. This concept has captured the imagination of scientists and science fiction enthusiasts alike. But how plausible is it? Wormholes are solutions to Einstein's field equations. They represent shortcuts through spacetime, potentially connecting distant regions. However, there are significant challenges. For one, wormholes require exotic matter with negative energy density to remain stable and traversable. This type of matter is purely theoretical and has not been observed. Even if we could find or create exotic matter, the stability of a wormhole remains uncertain. Any disturbance could cause it to collapse, trapping anything inside. Furthermore, the intense gravitational forces near a black hole's singularity pose additional risks to travelers. Beyond serving as portals through space, black holes might also offer pathways through time. The extreme gravitational fields near a black hole cause significant time dilation, where time slows down relative to outside observers. This effect raises fascinating possibilities for time travel. Another idea is that black holes could be gateways to parallel universes. According to some theories, entering a black hole might transport you to a different universe with its own distinct laws of physics. This concept is part of the broader multiverse theory, which suggests that our universe is just one of many. While the idea of black holes as portals is fascinating, it comes with significant risks. The intense gravitational forces near a black hole can cause spaghettification, stretching objects into long, thin shapes. The journey through a wormhole, if possible, could be fraught with unknown dangers. However, if we could harness and navigate these portals, the benefits would be immense. Instantaneous travel across the universe could revolutionize space exploration, open up new frontiers, and provide answers to some of the most profound questions about our existence and the nature of reality. Current research in physics and cosmology to explore the nature of black holes and the potential for wormholes. While these ideas remain speculative, advancements in our understanding of quantum mechanics, gravity, and spacetime could bring us closer to uncovering the true nature of black holes. In the future, technological breakthroughs and new discoveries could potentially turn science fiction into science fact. The dream of using black holes as portals may inspire generations of scientists to push the boundaries of what is possible. The concept of black holes as portals challenges our understanding of the universe and ignites our imagination. While we may not yet have the technology or knowledge to make this a reality, exploring these ideas encourages us to keep questioning and pushing the limits of human potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the mysteries of black holes and the possibilities of cosmic portals. If you found this video thought-provoking, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more explorations into the unknown. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.